Hey y'all, Artist Poet Girl here, also known as APG Jamie, and today is the day I announced the random comment winner from It's a Tag Time, y'all. And it's one of those pop-up giveaways. Down in the description box, it tells you about it. Sometimes there'll be random stuff down there. Sometimes it'll be in the end credits. Sometimes it might be in the middle of the video. And sometimes I may say it out loud. So you just never know, okay? So this is the video it was on. It is closed. So I'm copying my URL. And now I'm going to post it in a random comment generator, comment picker person thing. So let's see if this works. Yep, it found my video, it found my comments. Let's get out of that. Where do I push to? Oh, here we go. Pick the winner. Pick the winners right there, y'all. Okay. You ready? Oh, a little nervous. Via Vaughn! Yay, Vaughn, you win, random comment picker on It's a Tag Time, y'all. Okay, now y'all been reminded that I do these unusual random giveaway thingies. Sometimes you have to be the first to email, sometimes whatever I decide, y'all. Just saying. So anywho, Vaughn, you the winner. Chicken dinner. Thanks so much for watching. I really appreciate each and every one of you. Your wonderful views, kind comments, shares, and likes. I love them all. And your valuable time. Thanks so much. Happy arting, y'all.